Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Overwatch crashing problems. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. There are many steps to be done in the video. I divided these steps into 3 stages. After these 3 stages, you will not have any more crashing problems. Let's move on to the stage 1. In first stage, Battle.net and Overwatch do not need to be turned on. Our first step is to turn off Windows Firewall. For this, we open Search and type Firewall. Click on the Turn Windows Defender on the left. Here we change the options to turn off. And click OK. Our second step is turning on Disable Full Screen Optimization. Right-click on Overwatch. Click on Open File Location. Click on the Retail folder. Right-click on Overwatch.exe file and click Properties. From the top menu, we click on Compatibility. Check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations option. Then we click on Apply and OK. Our third step is to delete the Razer Chroma SDK.dll file that conflicts with the game. We open File Explorer to find the file. From the left menu, we click on this PC. Click on the disk where Windows is installed. Click on Windows folder. We find the System32 folder and click it. In the search section at the top right, we type RZ Chroma's DK64.dll, which is also found in the description of the video. A file will appear here. We are deleting this file. Don't worry, this file is neither a Windows nor Overwatch file. Our fourth step is to keep keyboard and mouse applications such as Logitech and Razer closed while opening the game and while playing. These applications are usually found in the Hidden Icons section at the bottom right. Right-click on these applications and click Exit. Our fifth step is in the Graphics settings. We write Graphics Settings in Search. Click on the first result. We write Overwatch in the search field. Click on Overwatch application. Then click on Options. We make sure that the High Performance option is selected from the options here. Click on Save after selecting. Our sixth step is to turn off the Windows Game Mode. We open the search again and write Game Mode Settings. Click on the first option. If the game mode is turned on, we turn it off. This feature is actually a good feature, but sometimes it can cause such problems. This was our first stage. Now we move on to the second stage. We will do the steps of the second stage through the Battle.net launcher. For the first step, we open Battle.net. Here we click on the options next to Overwatch. Click on Scan and Repair. Click on Begin Scan. In this way, the launcher Overwatch 2 will fix its missing and damaged files. Scanning is complete. If, after scanning, it says Update instead of Play, you should fix Overwatch 2 by clicking Update. For our second step, we click on Options in the same way. Click on Game Settings. Here we tick the option of Additional Command Line Arguments. And in this box we type the code that I put in the video description. After typing the code, click Done. Our second stage is complete. Now we will move on to the third and final stage. To do the steps in our third phase, the game must be open. For our first step, we open the Task Manager. Here we have to close all programs that we know what they do, except Overwatch and Battle.net. Especially Xbox Game Bar, and we close the applications that we know for what they do. Like Spotify, Microsoft Edge. We closed the apps we don't use except Overwatch and Battle.net. What you need to pay attention to here is that the Xbox Game Bar is definitely turned off. If you do not want to close other applications, you cannot close them. But make sure the Xbox Game Bar is closed. We will also do the second step through the task manager. When the game is open, we click on the small icon next to the Overwatch application. And right-click on Overwatch application and click Go to Details. Right-click on Overwatch.x. We select Set Priority as Real-Time and click Change Priority. In this way, our computer will allow Overwatch 2 to use RAM, CPU, and GPU in real time. For our third step, we open the game and press ESC. Click on Options. In the video section, we make sure that the dynamic render scale is turned off. Then, if Enabled plus Boost is turned on in the NVIDIA Reflex section, we make it enabled. You can also disable it if you want. However, it should not be Enabled plus Boost. Finally, we make the display mode full screen. I'm not doing this step because I'm currently recording. But as I said, this setting has to be full screen. After making this setting, we click on Apply and save the settings we have made. We have come to the end of our third stage. Now you can enter the game and play. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.